Hi sir, this is for my final reflection about the 1972-1986 document 1973 Constitution. So the period from 1972 to 1986 in the Philippines is marked by significant political events with the promulgation of the 1973 Constitution standing out as a pivotal moment. This document, crafted during the martial law regime of President Ferdinand Marcos, has profound implications for the country's political landscape, the subsequent struggling for democracy. So the 1973 Constitution, formerly known as the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, was a product of Constitutional Convention convened by Marcos. Its adoption marked the formal shift from the previous democratic system to a presidential authoritarianism under the martial law. So the Constitution concentrated power in the hands of the President, extending Marcos' rule beyond the limits prescribed by 1935 Constitution.